this is the day 2 of me making 1 crore in 33 days. So here's the plan. Yesterday I was doing the lecture. Yesterday I was doing lecture about content and the social media. I got understand that now the lectures are getting repeated. I understand these three things. First of all, you need to confirm the that by saying repeat the things, title and whatnot. I'm just saying top 30 footnote, not going into detail. And the second thing is you need to hook them continuously, repeatedly, rehook, release, and then using visuals and the bunch of the good amount of editing to make viewer watch and make them feel quality video they are watching. So this is what the three things I have learned from the content in social media. Now the next 3 days plan is going to be like this. I have decided to do the other plan, but now I'm changing the plan a little bit because now I'm a normal mindset guy. Okay, I'm not a millionaire right now, but yeah, I do have millionaire mindset right now, but still I'm a normal person, right? So rather than using the idea which is coming in my mind, which can work, I don't want to do it's like it can work. I want to do 100% working idea. Okay, so now next 3 days we are going to invest into the only three books. The first book is going to be 100 million offers. The second book is going to be 100 million leads, and the third book is going to be 100 million sales. These three books we are going to read in next 3 days, starting from today, for understanding how that millionaire guy is doing his stuff, and he have completely shared in the whole book. And that is what I'm going to buy. I already have it, but I'm going to learn it from that, and it is what it is. I mean, this is how it is going to go for next 3 days. I mean, today is Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. This 3 days, on a Monday we're going to start understand on Tuesday. Actually, we are going to start understanding how we can get the first client, first students for our business. 100% guarantee. I want this guarantee thing. All right. So yeah, this is what my plan is. So let's go down. I literally came on terrace to tell you about this, and also I'm going to I'm going to reformatize my vlog in the next 2 to 3 days. It is going to be like a what, how, and when. So you will understand what I'm talking about. Stay tuned. There, so I am literally understanding every single thing, and also I'm creating, oh why this, I'm also creating the note side by side over here, like exactly, like let's say this notion is the best for creating the notes. How much this is, yeah, now it got, no it's not, no. Let me just do this. Perfect. So I'm actually like writing it down so perfection to the perfection, as we can see over here. So yeah, I mean, I'm actually creating the whole audiobook notes with the chapter wise chapter. Like if we go into chapter 3, we can see what it is and what it is not. If there is nothing, then there is nothing. If there is there, like I'm perfectly doing it. The guess the what? Okay, I think so. I need to turn on the torchlight. Oh, no, but yeah. Oh yeah, I'm actually doing it so well. Very, very, very beautiful. Yeah, and looks like that we are going to finish things today, but I can now I can understand that this thing is going to work the way it is, and the our target audience going to be, I have decided our target audience is going to be the college students. I'm going to price it like anything. I'm just not going to price it cheap. 5,000 naira. I'm going to go all in. I'm just going to follow his words, his step by step process. His system, because the thing work. Yeah, this is how it right now is 12:50 and I'm still sitting in a one place and doing this. Now I am in chapter 4, which is about to, I'm heading towards chapter 5. 5 chapters are only remaining. Total 10 chapters are there. So within 24 hours we'll be this. Within the end of the day we'll be finishing this. So then tomorrow we'll be doing the 100 million leads, and the day after tomorrow we'll be 100 million and going to set up to our. Yeah. One more thing. The uncle I'm like, he says, he's like, you haven't bring the resume. He got the feedback from the enter who have from the HR manager. What was that? That HR manager was having a friend, and that friend is connected to Kadus, and the Kadus Kaka got to know like what happens in the interview. And Kadus Kaka was, you haven't bring the resume in the interview, and you guys are, if you guys are not understanding what I'm talking, see the previous day vlog, you will be understanding. You will be like, previous day vlog is like today is 19 December. Previous day vlog is 18 December. You won't even believe the interview got so good. But I don't want to work. That's my main thing. I said I have brain, but it got TRM, and so I thrown it. So that is the reason I can't say this thing to the HR. That's the reason I haven't. I said I haven't. And then like he said you have to go to the company again to get the interview and whatnot. I'm like, come on, I don't want to. Why you? I haven't said this, but I have think about this. Then that mom and me have big argument. I was like, mom was like, you're doing this for this. I thought like, why in the world? No. She says that how we can say in English. Yeah. He says I was knowing about this that you are going to something in the interview that you will not here do. And I'm like, I don't want to work. Why in the world you're pushing me to work? This is my time to go all in with this riskiest thing. Trading is not riskiest thing. I wanna grow business around. This is the time I should be working on it. What are you doing? With a job you're pushing to become a slave of someone who's going big amount of bucks, 10,000 INR. I'm making 6 months of payment within 2 days. Why in the world I should be working in the job? Bullshit. I don't wanna work. Say this. And he's like, you have to work. I'm like, why? I don't wanna work. I just don't wanna work. Please. I wanna go. I want to grow in this. I want to grow in the trading. That is why I'm going to focus proven system, not going to use my brain. My brain was saying that go in the campaign, create the event about trading and whatnot. That is going to work for, but I want to use the proven system, which is million people, millionaire business owner to start the from scratch. That is what I'm doing right now. Yeah, it is what it is. I will rather than speaking, I will just focus. Right there, right now is 18:10, and we are heading towards the gym. And guess what? I'm going to use the exact same strategy which I have used earlier. I mean yesterday, which is picking so fucking heavy weight that you can die. Okay, and doing so less rep using that, like 1, 2, 3, or maximum 4, and that's it. It's going to wrap for gym pretty quick, and also will be able to gain our muscle because my legs are right now is so paining because yesterday I have picked up the big weight, heavy weight like anything. So yeah, signing off. So brother, today is the arms, only and only arms. Okay, we do have 6 exercises to do. Right now is almost 6:30. Our target is to finish within 1 hour. I mean, I'm just going to pick up the heavy weights. So I have never ever picked up more than 5 to 6 kg. There is no 6 kg, 5 kg. But I'm going to pick up 12 kg. 12.5 actually. Let's do it. Hi there, everyone, brother. There is one friend in my gym. We kind of become friends. He's explaining his situation. I'm giving answers to his situation. Is very much interested in gym. Trading. And guess what? Today day was the whole arms. This strategy is working, brother. Picking the highest weight you can able to pick. That strategy is working like anything. So yeah, this is what it is. Chala kaka. So let's go home, let's get ready, and then let's do the what it is. Then do the business lecture. That is the completing the first book, 100 million offers. I'm going all in, brother. I'm actually also organizing. I mean, the whatever he's saying, I'm instantly implementing into my business. So we'll see how it goes. Signing off. Hi there. So right now I'm heading towards my sister's house. I'm going to play the song and attach the phone over here and going to sing the song. I wanna do this. Hey there. So actually I tested it and it is the worst quality ever. But either ways I don't fucking care. I just wanna record this moment. I'm going to do this for sure. All right. Now let's do it. I want to record with this camera. This camera is so beautiful. But the thing is, the phone which is getting recorded is not getting played, and also bullshit. हॅलो हा मी ऑन द रोड आहे तू तू ये आता तू 5 मिनिटात निघ मी आता पटवर्धन चौकात पटवर्धन चौक चालेल तू 5 मिनिटानंतर निघ मी फोन लाव तू डायरेक्ट येऊन जा 5 मिनिटानंतर निघून जा चालेल ठेवतो सिस्टर गॉट इट वेर आय एम I wanna do bullshit. If I'm using this phone for doing the recording, then the phone will not be able to. Phone turn on. Let me check. Gaadi started. Doors are off. Lights on. I want more lights, man. Parking lights off. Left, right, check. Okay. Done. रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे रास्ते आगे पाँव से आगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे क्यों सोचना है जाना कहाँ जाए वही ले जाए जहाँ बेसब्रियाँ But I'm getting distracted a lot. बेसब्रियाँ Basically, I'm going to pick up the sister and then dropping her to the sister house, and then also dropping a lot of things like numbers and a lot of things. So it is like a 5-minute run, not more than that. कदमों पे तेरे बादल झुकेंगे जब तक तुझे एहसास है जागीर तेरी तेरा खजाना ये तश्नगी है ये प्यास है क्यों रोकना जाए वही ले जाए जहाँ I love this song, brother. I have to check every single aspect of the area. बाहर तराशे तेरी मशाले अंदर दरे क्यों ढूंढना पैरों पे निशान जाए वही ले जाए जहाँ बेसब्रियाँ. Over here there might be a traffic police, so I'm just like, yeah, done. We crossed the chow. Besabriyan, oh, besabriyan. Oh fuck, I love this song, man. This song is beautifully designed, bro. Beautifully.
दोस्तों, क्या आप अपना टाइम फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पे वेस्ट कर रहे हो?
My account is suspended. This bullshit.
आपको भी चाहिए एक एक्स्ट्रा सोर्स ऑफ इनकम. दोस्तों, मैं ऐसे बहुत सारे लोगों को जानता हूँ जो या तो
just wanted to track this, guys. Oh fuck, this also song is beautiful. This is reminding my friend, man, which is now no more. जब तक तुझे प्यार से बेइंतहा मैं भर ना दूं जब तक मैं दुआओं सा सौ जाने की बात ना करो, मेरे साथ तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What the fuck was that? How he is driving, brother? How he can drive? I mean, there is so blinking. I just don't know the lyrics. Oh fuck, they came. Okay, signing off. Oh, hello. अरे ते काय असं असतं ना. चला चला. Hey there. So, brother, we have dropped her. Now we are heading home. And guess what? I'm going to go live on YouTube because what? Because I'm alone. I'm fucking alone in the car. I don't want to be alone. So let's go live on YouTube. Always use sit belt. Always use stopwatch. How much experience you are? Always use stop. Hello everyone. 1 minute. So I'm right now heading towards home. Drop to sister. So I was like, this phone is spare. Okay. I mean, this phone is not being used. So why not to use the camera over there and the so I mean trying. So I'm like, why not to use this phone for recording? I want to record every single thing. I mean, I really want to record every single thing. So yeah, beautiful song. नजर ना लग जाए जानम तोटिए घबराए जानम नजर ना लग जाए जानम तोटिए घबराए जानम. I just don't know the lyrics. I'm just talking what I'm listening. That is so hot.
What if I told you can erase negative thoughts, overthinking, and childhood trauma permanently from your life by rewiring your brain?
That's a great hook.
Yes, it is.
That's a great hook, but no one gives a fuck. Parking light song. Fuck, that car is overtaking. Whoa, hey, गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी दिल हो गया. संभाल मुझको हो मेरे यारो, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया. है गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी दिल हो गया. तेरे गिरे oh fuck, that was so not good. Okay, we are in choke. We need to follow the rules. always reduce the voice in the choke because we need to see every single word. Now left side ending on. That is coming. Now we are clear. We can move. Perfect. We have moved. All right. So song on. One more left. Ba, 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 ba. Fuck, I'm so wanted to dance, man. मैं लुट गया हाय गुलाबी आँखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया हाय गुलाबी आँखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया मुझको ओ मेरे यारो संभलना मुश्किल हो गया ओ, 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 I'm fucking shouting like you. Ta 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 ta. What the fuck is there? Something is there. Okay. Oh, okay.
अगर आपका बिजनेस हर दिन आप पर डिपेंड करता है तो आपने अपने लिए बिजनेस नहीं बनाया, अपने लिए एक सेल्फ ट्रैप क्रिएट करना।
Bullshit. Okay, we are in choke. तू तेरे लफ्ज़ में तू है दफा और मर्ज़ में दिलदार तू खुद कर्ज में तारीफ में तू है तकलीफ में तेरे गुलाम सारी आई चीज़ में ख्वाब तू ताबीर में माना तुझे तकदीर में तेरा हुआ इस भीड़ में इस भीड़ What the fuck, that was so fast. है तेरी मेहरबानी के अंधेरों से हम निकल गए है तेरी मेहरबानी के अनजाने भी संवर गए Recently, I'm so getting into this Hindi songs. तू और मर्ज में आधार तू खुद गर्ज में है गीत तू तेरे लफ्ज में तू है दुआ और फर्ज में आजाद तू और कर्ज में है शाम तू तारीफ में तू चैन है तकलीफ में तुझसे मेरा तो पा लिया हर चीज में है ख्वाब तू ताबीर में माना तुझे तकदीर में तेरा हुआ इस भीड़ में है तेरी मेहरबानी अंधेरों से हम मुकर गए है तेरी मेहरबानी अनजाने ही हम संवर गए Left side indicator on, we are parking over here. There is a car behind us. है तू ही तो है बेवफा तू बारिश मेरी सवेरा मेरा The car waits behind. तेरा हम रास्ता है कश्ती तेरी किनारा मेरा What the fuck happened? I don't know why they wait. Alright, I will be back. I'm turning that off. On that gate. है तेरी Oh shit man, this song is so beautiful man. I was not knowing this song is so good. I will be back. Parking lights on. कोई नहीं है. Oh, that is so cold. Always a stop loss, brother. Okay, I'm closing this off. Right, parking lights off. Off. This is so rarely happen. I love this song, brother. I just love this song, man. You can see how it is, how hard it is to park this thing into this so close area. That was so big. The mom that came. No, is it? I don't know. They have gone outside for dinner, and I'm home. It is what it is. I mean, that's not deep. That's all doctors get together. How in the world I'm going to get that? I will be back. So shifting every single thing. You can feel the body. Why I reduce the voice? Because people are sleeping. It's not breathe. Eyes closed. Which total 7 kilometers I've done. So signing off. Thank you for being with Parking Gallery. So hello there. Here I have changed every single thing. I was previously sitting over here and then was getting sleep by sitting because I was getting inside this tumble. But now I have changed some situation. I have learned the things. Now I'm sitting over here exactly on this. Like this, and now I'm sitting like this, and the charger and every single thing is over here, and I'm putting my password over here. I'm not going to show you. So done. So as we can see over here, yeah, basically I was actually listening to the lecture of Alex Hermosi. If you just can see over here, you can see the lectures and only lectures. You can't just see, can't see anything which is something which is not a lecture. Like this lecture. Okay, so this is what separating me from you. Then you guys will say, you guys will say, oh, that was luck. Bullshit. Luck and whatnot. It's a joke. All right. Yeah, I have already downloaded, like I will already, like how I'm learning. I got acidity because I have ate a lot of breeds. So this is the book that I'm reading right now. And the wallet got closed. So this is a book we are reading right now, and yeah, basically this is the only book. I will try to focus it. You guys can able to see. And I'm doing the exact. So now I have already have covered 108 pages right there. Down there, as you can see over here, 108. So half of the book is done. So now I'm going to sit for, let's say, 45 minutes from now until 12 o'clock, and I'm going to sleep at 12 o'clock, and then going to wake up at I have changed my wake up time because I'm trying a lot of things to, like say match every single thing. So now I'm going to have the 8 hours of sleep because of the gym. I'm having a lot of sleep right there, and if I wake up at 6 o'clock and if I'm sleepy, how in the world I'm going to concentrate here? So now I have to be awake completely 100%. So this is it. Let's start doing lectures, and you won't even believe the thing is so actually, and now I'm actually seeing why this is going to work. And in oh my god, why I just forgive. While I was doing the shower, when I come from gym, I was doing the shower, and while I was doing the shower, this idea comes in my mind, and you won't even believe it. This is going to change a whole overall thinking. So I'm going to increase my price from 5,000 INR to 1 lakh, or maybe 1.5 lakh, or maybe 4 5 lakhs, something like that. Okay, I'm going to do this. I am going to do this. That the people the students I'm going to take their exams, and that exam, or maybe I will be choosing anyone. There will be like a lottery. only one person. Let's say 10 people apply for the 10 people apply for learning the trading, and from that 10 people, I'm going to choose one student to come with me to Dubai. I mean, after the studies are over, after he finishes the lecture, then I'm going to take him for Dubai. I'm going to choose like just a couple, like one or two students. Like this is going to be also add up in the offer list. This is actually I'm getting teach. So like anyone will be like, oh, I'm thinking to go to Dubai. that is going to cost me like almost 1 lakh. So why not I pay this? Why not I pay for this course and also get a chance to go to Dubai? I mean, I will be also learning. I will be also getting chance to go to Dubai. Also, I'm going to add a lot of offers. So like the personality development, how to speak in English, how to create the business around trading as well. Oh my goodness, this is going to be huge. I mean, you won't even believe this is going to be a lot. Like now, imagine this is like a business. When I'm already started to think, but just wanted to again clarify. Again, started thinking. I mean, not I getting more good in business thinking the way it needs to. And guess what going to be true? This book going to change my life. And guess what? This is only the book which are reading. Guess what? There are 3 books. Fuck. These 3 books are going to change my life. I can see only if I read only one book, that one book is this powerful that it is going to change my life. And what if I read all 3 books? It is going to change my life. Also, it is going to go ahead than that. Yeah, that's Satya. People say Satya. Stay tuned. Thus just doing